So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to recover AutoCAD corrupt file. So let's say you have this file that has been corrupted. So we'll just remember the name, that is drawing one. Okay, I'll just open a new file. Let's say you are on now drawing two and drawing one is corrupted. Let's save and let's just assume that your file has been corrupted. So when you open AutoCAD, you just have to type the command recover, then just type enter and just select the file that you want to recover. If you remember, we had remember the name drawing one. This is the file that we had initially. Just you have to click on it and you just have to open. Audit detect no errors in the recovered database. So as you can see that my file didn't have any errors, so it has been purely recovered. Even if my file was corrupted, it would have been recovered. So this is the only simple command that you have to use for your AutoCAD file whenever it gets corrupted. Again, just open a new file, open a fresh AutoCAD file software, and just type recover and just press enter. If you know the file has been attached to your software, then just press recover all. That's it. It's that simple. You just have to type the command recover and your file will get recovered if it had been corrupted. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and let me know down in the comments that how did you find out this hack to help you in your AutoCAD journey. Thank you.